Welcome. In front of me I have the AirPods 2nd generation and the Android device. This is the Huawei P40 ID, and I'm going to show you how to connect the AirPods to the Android device. So for the first, we have to open the settings and enable the Bluetooth on the Huawei or the Android device that you are using. And right now just open the charging case to connect them, and we have to wait until the Huawei find our AirPods 2nd generation. Okay, as you can see that the light on the case of the AirPods just turned it off. So right now we have to click this button on the back of the case. So click it and hold a little bit. Okay, right now it's blinking, and just pull out your finger from this button, and right now when we refresh, there we are with the available devices, the HardReset 2nd generation. So click on it, and of course it's HardReset 2nd generation because I just changed the name of the AirPods. So right now when we click on it, we can pair the AirPods with the Huawei, and right now as you can see they are paired and they are connected for calls and media audio. So this is how it looks. Thank you for watching. If I help you, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos.